up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Woo! Damn, it feels good to be a gangsta. I mean, dang, it feels good to be a gangster. I'm already demonetized. The video's already demonetized. Unbelievable. Woo! Beautiful day in the Trans Am, the Firebird Formula, the freaking bird. You best know her as Ghost. And I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can, I don't know, maybe back there. We have Zach in his ship box behind us. There you go. I'll get you up. Oh, I'm like all over the road. There he is. He's back there. He's got his little brother with him. And we are heading out to Cars and Coffee. That's what we're going to be doing. Oh, it's coming up beside me. If you guys don't know what Cars and Coffee is a huge car show with a lot of cars. And I'm going to show you some of them, guys, in this video. So I hope you're excited. So let's get rolling out to Cars and Coffee, Lancaster. That was pretty cool. And now Zach got pulled over by the cops. Right there he is. Look at that shit. Wonder what the cop wants. So this just got a lot more interesting. Didn't think this was going to be a cop pullover video, guys. But here we are with a cop pullover video. Well, at least everything's legal in the car, so that's a plus. Hopefully he just left him off with a warning or something. I know he wasn't speeding because I was going about the same mile an hour. So that state cop just came out because he didn't like him. I don't know if you guys can see it back there. There we go. Maybe you can see it out the back window, I don't know. I can't shut this thing off because then it's going to be a pain in the ass to start back up again. And his little brother's in the car too. Yo!
Send me the proof of insurance on this.
Ask the cop if I can come up to him, because I have it on my phone.
I don't, yeah, but my other worry is I don't want him to walk up to you, because he does not seem like he's having a great day. You know what he's in me for?
What?
Inspection.
He didn't even see your inspection. I'm out of inspection too.
Yeah, so did you see my inspection when I went by him that path?
Nah, there's no way. He pulled you over just to pull you over.
Yeah, so
there's no way he's seen your inspection going 65 miles an hour down the fucking highway. It's impossible.
So now I'm getting got for inspection.
Well,
that's cool. I told him the car recently was running though. I told him we just recently got it running.
Yeah.
So, I was saying, because isn't insurance on the phone?
Yeah, here, I'll show you. I'll send you a screenshot of it.
Send me a screenshot of it just in case, but I'll ask you if you can come up.
Alright, hold on a minute.
And then, yeah.
Alright, hold on a minute.
I don't want him to walk up to your car because he's probably going to have your car towed at this point.
Alright, I'll send it to you, buddy.
Yep, bye-bye.
Alright, bye-bye. He has an insurance card with him.
What?
Yo, you have an insurance card in that car.
I can't find it.
Yeah, it's in the center console or something.
Okay, we'll send it to me.
Alright, I'll send it right now.
Yep. So it's actually...
Hello, officer. How are you doing today? I'm doing good. We're just heading out to the Park City Cars and Coffee meet, so
that sounds cool.
Yeah, I just wanted to get you this insurance card here. He does have it. It's in there. He just can't. He's probably a little nervous. That's all. There you go. You can see that.
Yeah.
Yep, he's good to go. He's all legal. Everything's
all right,
good.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Yeah, like I told him, his inspection's out, so.
Yeah, we just got that thing running a little bit ago, so.
Okay.
We just figured it was a nice Sunday. We go out here to Cars and Coffee and have a good time, you know, that's all.
Awesome. I'm not getting a ticket or anything.
I appreciate it. Thank you very, very much.
Hey, have a good one.
Yep, you too. No ticket for the boy. That's awesome. All right, back on the road again, guys. A little bit of excitement there in the beginning. Good for us, right? Good for us. But the officer, I commend him. Back to blue, guys. Very nice officer. Did not give Zach a ticket to send us on our way. Obviously, he knows we're going to get that fixed and everything. So, to that officer, if he's watching this video, thank you very much. And thank you for your service, sir. Now, let's get to Cars and Coffee and see some badass freaking rides, guys. Here we go, guys. Cars and Coffee. What's up, buddy? How you been, man? Yeah, yeah. Are you that girl from Instagram? Oh my God. Holy shit! I know you! You're so awesome! I'm sweaty, I know you are too. I know, my God!
Yeah, girl. I feel like I need to give you an updated sticker.
Oh! There you go, updated sticker.
Andy gets an updated sticker.
Nice, I like it. I love it.
Sticker. And my old, I'm not showing you my old business cards because
why not?
New ones. See, the new ones have that photo on them.
This photo?
Yeah, the old ones.
This does not resemble you at all. You're so much more beautiful than a sticker.
Well, it was taken off of like a real photo.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, like
okay.
I sent the photo to like the cartoonist and I was like,
yeah.
Make it this. Yeah, look, the old ones are so boring.
Oh, nah, they're fine. I do not have my motorcycle with me today
Is this all the bikes?
because I don't. Yeah, this is it. There's a few bikes like over there, but that was about it.
I want to walk around to see
Yeah.
what other stuff is here.
It's technical. It's
Anti-Parallelly on Instagram. Go check her out, guys. She's amazing, freaking amazing. Love her to death.
We haven't made videos together in such a long
Oh my God, it's been years. Shut down the Philly run. Shut down the Philly run. That was like the last time. That was like the last video. Yeah.
Holy shit.
The last time you were in a video of mine, and I think vice versa. Yeah.
That was like 2018.
I know. Fucking hell ride going out
Because
there.
I've known you since like 2018.
Yeah, a little longer than that.
I think,
yeah,
'cause
longer
you
than
filmed
that.
before that.
Shit.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Time flies.
I know, right? All right, guys, we got Sky in the car. We're almost back to the shop. That's why my seatbelt's off, guys. I didn't have my seatbelt off the whole time. We're actually taking the car back to the shop. He's got to go to soccer. And man, what a good day. And it's like 90 degrees out today, guys. And this car is acting just fine. Hopefully you guys can see everything just fine. Got to shift. There we go. Whew. What a day. What a morning. What a morning, guys. Let's get the car in the shop and end this video. Woo, she's running good. Running good. Little hot. Definitely a hot day. Definitely a hot day, guys. And she is running superb in like 90-degree heat. Big ass turbo car. Freaking awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Whew. Whew, guys, man. Whew. She is cooking. She is cooking, guys. Let me tell you, she is damn cooking. But whew, good drive today with her. Great drive today with her, to be honest. Gonna go ahead and get my wrench here. Disconnect the battery. A little wrench. Always disconnect the battery on this car. That way there's no issues with battery drain or anything of that nature. Got a little negative terminal here, or positive terminal. Disconnect that. Oh, I lost it. Okay, whatever. That's all she wrote, guys. Down telescope. As always, the beautiful sponsors of this car: Huron Speed, Golen engines, Faster Proms, BMR, Gentek Performance, a whole bunch of other ones. I'm actually getting a new banner of stickers down here being redone by a good friend of mine, so we have to wait till that's all finished up. But once that's all finished up, we're gonna have a whole new slew of sponsor lists going down the back window. That way I can advertise and support the people that have supported me, and I hope you guys do the same thing. After this video, you're gonna be seeing a great video of cold Air Inductions intake system on a 2018 Chevy pick-me-up truck, a GMC Sierra 2500. Just a nice little install video for cold Air Inductions. That'll be one of the next videos coming up here shortly. I know it's been a couple days since I made a video, but I've been working a lot, guys. There's been a lot going on here at the shop. I have a whole bunch of project cars that need to be finished up and head on out of here before the end of the month. But other than that, everything's going good. It's just been real busy and real hot, guys. But hope you enjoyed the content and the footage. I know it kind of was all over the place here, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, guys. It really helps me out a lot. It really, really does. And other than that, guys, deuces. I'm gonna go find AC now.